Swami Vidyanand says in Panchdashi 7-265-266, Vikshepah nasti yasman me no samadhis tatah mama. Vikshepah va samadhirva manasa syat vikarina. Because there is no distraction for me, I have no need for samadhi. Both distraction and absorption belong to the changing mind. Nitya anubhav rupasya kome va anubhava prithak kritam krityam prapniyam praptam iti eva nishchaya. I am the sum of all the experiences in the universe. Where is the separate experience for me? I have obtained all that was to be obtained and have done all that was to be done. This is my unshakable conviction. Verse 267, 268, 269 says, Vyavahara laukika va शास्त्रीय वा अन्यथा अपि वा मम कर्तुर अलेपस्य यथारंभम प्रवर्तताम. Whatever worldly, religious or other activities arise for me as an uninvolved non-doer, let them take place according to my prarabdha karma. अथवा कृत्योपि लोक अनुग्रह कामया शास्त्रीयेन एव मार्गेण वर्ते हम कामम क्षति. Or even though I am fulfilled, I can act according to the scriptures for the sake of the world. What do I have to lose? Dev archan asnan soch vikshado vartatam bapu tar japatu vak tadvat pathatvam nayamastakam. Let my body worship God, take bath, preserve cleanliness or beg for alms. Let my mind recite Om or study the Upanishads. Om is the saving mantra and the Upanishads are the head of scriptures. Verse 270-271 says, Vishnu dhyayatu dhiryadva brahmanande vilyetam sakshyam kinchit api atra no kurve napi karye. Let my intellect meditate on Vishnu or be merged in the bliss of Brahman. I am the witness of all. I do nothing nor cause anything to be done. एवं च कलह कुत्र संभवेत कर्मिणो मम विभिन्न विषयत्वेन पूर्वापर समुद्रवत्. How can there be any conflict between the actor and myself? Our functions are as apart from each other as the eastern ocean from the western ocean. Acharya Shankara said in Updesh Sahasri 1.12.13, Vidya pratikulam hi कर्म स्यात् साभिमानतः निर्विकारात्म बुद्धिश्च विद्येति प्रकृतिता अहम कर्ता मवेदम स्यात् इति कर्म प्रवर्तते वस्तुधीना भवेत् विद्या कर्तृधीना भवेत् विधि. Action is incompatible with knowledge because it depends on ignorance, that is false identification, whereas knowledge is unchanging consciousness as per the scriptures. I am the doer, this is mind, thinking thus one performs action. Knowledge depends on the object of knowledge, while action depends on the doer. Knowledge and action cannot go together because knowledge depends on the object of knowledge, that is unchanging consciousness, whereas action depends on the doer, which changes as per level of ignorance of the doer.